I'm getting my electrical circuit box put in, wiring the house now. Getting closer and closer to getting a completed house. I stepped away to do some work and I came back and it's almost finished. Ah, oh well. Okay, the box is wired, ready for the power. House is coming together slowly, fully, but it's coming together. Got my circuit breaker box in. Just waiting for Zanzibar Power now to hook up power to the house. So the next thing, inshallah, which is starting tomorrow, is plastering. To plaster this house. So the electricity is in, the plumbing is in, the plumbing pipes are in. They're at the water tower. So now plastering starts tomorrow, inshallah. Yes.